Hey everybody, today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the countdown timer feature on your CakCity SPV710 altimeter, barometer, and thermometer watch. So this is very easy. As with most of the items on this watch, you're going to simply start by going into your mode button. You can see that I'm currently in my timekeeping mode. This watch has several different modes on it, and the one that we're looking for is going to be labeled TR for timer. So you've got a capital T and a lowercase r. That's going to be our countdown timer. You can set a countdown timer for anywhere between 1 second and 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. So it's very simple. It's kind of nice. You've got your timer in the middle, and then you'll always have your current time displayed as well. So you can see a countdown timer as well as your clock. The barometer button is going to serve as your start as well as your stop button. The altimeter button over here on the bottom right is going to be your reset button. The default will always reset you back to 10 minutes. But what if you want to set a different value? All you're going to do there is you're going to press the mode button and hold it. If you press it once, it'll take you to a different mode. But if we press and hold it, we'll notice that we've got some values that start blinking. So if I wanted to adjust my hours, I can use the barometer button to go up or my altimeter button to go down. Once I'm done with the hour setting, I can press mode again. It'll take me to my minute setting. I can do the same thing by pressing the barometer button or the altimeter button to set my minute value. And if I press the mode button again, it'll take me to my second value. So if I just want to set a 30-second countdown timer, I could do that if I wanted. Now the trick is if you press the mode button again, it'll take you right back to your hour. Once you're done setting the value you want for your countdown timer, you're going to press your light button, which is the upper left-hand button. That'll get you out of the settings, and now you've got your timer set the way you want. And then again, you would just use your barometer button to start or stop the countdown timer. Once your countdown timer gets down to 0, it'll start alerting you with an alarm. You can press any button to stop the alarm value. Pretty simple. Once you're done with your countdown timer, you can simply go back to your mode button. I did want to show you, let's have my countdown timer running. If I get out of the timer mode, I go back to my time. My countdown timer is still running in the background. I would just have to navigate back to that screen. Now you really wouldn't have to do that because you've always got your current time displayed here, but maybe you're wanting to go back to your main timekeeping mode because you want to see your barometric trend or something like that. You can do it and the timer will run in the background. Same with the stopwatch and other features on this watch. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.